Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Breakthrough Maths and welcome to this video on how to use sine, cos and tan. So in this question we're told we have to use trigonometry to work out the value of x in the diagram below, and we have to give our answer correct to 2 decimal places. So the first thing we need to see, well, what is x? We can see x is a side. So why aren't we going to use Pythagoras here? Well, what do we say the conditions were for using Pythagoras? Number 1 was that it had to be a right angle triangle. We have that here. We have our right angle. What was the condition next? We needed 2 sides and to find the third. We're only given one side. We only know 6. This is unknown and we also have x, which is unknown. So we don't have 2 sides. Therefore, we're going to have to use sine, cos and tan. If you remember to the introduction video, the rhyme is silly old Harry caught a herring trawling off America. So you write that down quickly once you know you can't use Pythagoras, and then we'll label our sides. So which one is across from the right angle, our hypotenuse? It's this one. H for hypotenuse, it's the side across from the right angle and the longest side. Next we have to look at which one is the opposite. So remembering, it's an angle other than the right angle. What's across from that? It's the opposite. So not across from the right angle, across from another angle that's not the 90 degrees. So 6 is our opposite, and then the leftover line x is going to be our adjacent. So what are we given? We're given O and we need to find A. So which of these has O and A? We can see it's tan has O and A. We're not given the hypotenuse and we're not asked to find it, which means sine and cos, which uses the hypotenuse, will not be used by us. So it's going to be tan. So we're going to have tan of our angle. If you remember in the introduction video, I had a little a there for angle. So the tan of our angle, which is our angle, 20 degrees. So the tan of 20 is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So what's our opposite? 6 over our adjacent, which is going to be x. Then just using some algebra, we'll bring x over. So we'll have the tan of 20 multiplied by x, because it was being divided here, is going to equal to 6. Then since we're trying to find what x is, we'll keep x on the left hand side and we'll bring under tan of 20. So we'll have 6 divided by the tan of 20 degrees. And when you put into your calculator 6 divided by the tan of 20, you will get x is equal to 16.48. And what are we dealing with? We're not told, so we'll just say units. And remembering it's said to 2 decimal places, which we've given here.